In this video, we will understand how power of function works. For example, we say that y is a function of that expression, which is 7x to the power 4 minus 5x minus 9 and whole cube. Okay. As you know, power of what? Power of whole expression. Just assume that whole expression is x. So it means if this expression is x, then its power will be 3. And how it works, I'm going to explain a power rule of the function. How you have to take a derivative of this. How do we take a derivative? 3. This power you will multiply with this coefficient 1. And the answer will be 3 times 1 is 3. X, और अब इस x की power में से 1 minus हो जाएगा, then you will get 2. All right. So just assume that x, that whole expression as an x. So can you take its derivative in this form? Yes, we can take it. So let's take a start. 3 times 1 you will take as a, like 1 as a coefficient. Then you will multiply, you get the answer. 3 times 1 is 3. And you will take the whole expression as it is. And now you will reduce 1 from the power and you will get 2. Okay. Afterward, it's not completely finished yet. Afterwards, you have to take a derivative of the expression only. जो अंदर expression है, and that expression is 7x4 minus 5x minus 9. You have to take its derivative. So how can we take derivative? And that derivative you have to multiply. That sign is showing you a multiplication sign. You have to multiply with this whole derivative of the function. So 4 times 7 is giving you 28. And x में से एक value कम हो जाएगी, it will be 3. Now, here is a 1 as a power. You will multiply this 1 with 5, minus 5. And obviously, x naught is giving you the value 1. And here we have a 0 derivative of this constant value. This is how it works. As you know, here is a quadratic function, means that you can say power 2 aa rahi hai. So you cannot multiply this 3 with this expression, but you can multiply this 3 with this expression. So let's multiply. I'm multiplying 3 times 28 is giving me what? It is giving me 84 x cube minus, and 3 times 5 is giving me 15. And I will keep this whole expression with it. So afterwards, let me write minus 9 also. Okay. So afterwards, no need to simplify further. That is your complete working. Okay. So let's revise the power of function rule. Kya hai iska? Whatever you have a function in a whole, power you will get in a whole expression. You just need to take its derivative and multiply the derivative with the all terms of the expressions which are given over there, right? So let's take one more example here. And the last example is, mostly students get worried about the expression when they have a cube root or square root over the expressions. Okay, so in that case, remember, let me recall, as you know, the value of square is what? Normally, the value of square is 1/2, and value of cube root is 1/3, and value of 4 is like a quadratic. जब आ जाता है, तो it is 1/4. अगर यहाँ पे 5 आ जाए, तो it will be 1/5. So it means I can even write it in that form, and that will be expression will remain same. There will be no change in the expression, and I will just write as a power 1/3, right? So same as per the rule, we will do what? We will take the derivative of the power first. So this is, we are going to multiply with this coefficient. It will be again same. And then we will just subtract 1 from the power. And 1 minus 3 is -1, right? And afterwards, we definitely have to take the expression, like derivatives of this expression only. So, if I'm writing x cube minus 2x plus 5, इसका derivative क्या होगा? 3 times 1 is 3. And x की power एक value कम करके हो जाएगी 2 minus, and there will be 2, and here is a constant value. Okay, now 1/3 x cube minus 2x plus 5, and here you need to take LCM. As you know that you need to multiply 3 times 1 minus 3/3, and here you have to just copy down the expression. 1/3 x cube minus 2x plus 5, and that is minus 2/3, 3x square minus 2. As I know, with the power of minus 2/3, I cannot solve it further, so but I need to solve. this 1/3 and this 1/3. As you know, it is 1. It has a numerator 1. I can multiply this with this numerator and I will get the value 3x square minus 2 upon 3. Isn't it? Right? ठीक किया ना मैंने? Okay. But what will I do with this expression? I will write in denominator but with the power of plus. ये power अब plus में shift हो जाएगी. That is your answer. So this is how, no need to solve further. This is how you can solve the power of functions.